Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and today in this first video of C++ tutorial series we will download and install Codeblocks IDE and write a simple C++ program. So let's begin. First of all, open any browser that is installed in your desktop Brave browser, and in the search bar type in codeblocks.org and hit enter, and you will reach in this website. This is how it looks, and in the left hand side you will see downloads option. Click on that and click on download the binary release. Scroll a little down and you will see options for downloading for Windows, Linux and Mac. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download WinGW, not the non-setup but the setup.exe file. And if you are using 32-bit, then it also has the option for 32-bit, and if there is nothing written in it, then it's just the 64-bit software. So I'm just gonna download WinGW setup.exe. Click on sourceforce.net and the downloading will start automatically. It will ask you for the location. I'm just gonna download it in downloads folder. Save, and downloading is started. After the downloading is completed, click on show in folder and it will take you to the file location where it has been downloaded. And installing it is really simple, like installing any other Windows software. Double click on it, hit next, I agree, leave it as it is and hit next. Now you need to remember this file location because you will need it in future. Click install. Now it will take a little while. After the extraction is completed, it will ask if you want to run Codeblocks or not. I'm just gonna click no, next, finish. Now after the installation is complete, open my files, go to the file location where Codeblocks is installed. For me it is C program files, and it's the same for most of the people if you didn't change the file location while installing. Now open Codeblocks, WinGW, and open this bin folder. Copy this address in the address bar, copy it, close this window, go into the search bar, search for control panel. Over here in the search bar, type in \system with capital S, and this window will open up. Let me make it in full screen. Click Advanced System Setting. Under Advanced, click Environment Variables, and you will see User Variables and System Variables. Under User Variables, select Path, click Edit, New, paste the address that you just copied from my files, this one, and click OK, OK, Okay, close the window. Now open command prompt, cmd, and type in gcc ---- version, and it will show the version of gcc compiler that you just installed. Now let's just write a quick simple program in Codeblocks. Open the Codeblocks software. This is how it looks. Control Shift N to open a new file, new project, and first of all you need to save it, so click Control S. Now typing what I do exactly the same. Include this IO string int main curly bracket open close std double colon cout 2 less than signs double quote and hello world, and then a semicolon in the end. Now enter return 0 semicolon. Now click Ctrl S to save it. On the top click on build and run. Console is open and hello world just printed out. Now you can write whatever you want instead of this hello world, and it will be printed out on the console like this. Please subscribe to my channel. Build and run, and then boom. So that's it for today's video.